Okay, so if you see me around the school, remember you can wave, but don't yell out, right? You can wave, but that'll be great to see you, dear friends. Okay, today we're going to talk about the alphabet first. And I know that a lot of you probably sing the alphabet, but it's important to point and name each letter and to say the alphabet together, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to point to each letter and I'd like you to say it together with me, okay? Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I'm going to ask you a question, and remember to raise your hand if you want to answer. But put your hand down yet. I haven't asked the question yet. Okay. Oh, let's have everybody listening. I hear someone singing the alphabet. Remember, we're going to point and name it. We're not going to sing it. Okay?
Right.
How many letters are in the alphabet? Don't yell out. Just raise your hand. Let's see. Oh, I like how you're raising your hand. Okay, right here. How many letters?
60.
Oh, that's a guess, but not quite right. What about right here? Oh, not quite. Right here? You know? Okay.
10.
We'll take one more guess. What do you think? There's actually 26 letters. Everybody say that. 26 letters. One more time. 26 letters. Very good. There's 26 letters. We have vowels and consonants. You're going to be learning about the vowels and the consonants. Now, I want to tell you something else about the alphabet, but first of all, let's see. Tell me, what is your name? Pelaine? Like starts with a B?
My name is
B.
And what?
Blaine.
B. Okay, what is your last name?
My last name.
Aredo.
Aredo with an A?
A-R-E-D-O.
Okay. Okay. Ooh,
Lily.
I didn't call on you, sweetie. Okay, so her initials for her name are B-A, because her first name starts with a B, and her last name starts with an A. Now, you don't all need to tell me, but I just wanted to show you just her initials, okay? Initials, that word, initial, means first. Initial means first. Let's all say that. Initial means first. Very good. Just like we have initials in our name, we have an initial letter. Raise your hand without yelling out if you can tell me the initial letter of the alphabet. Okay, back there. What do you think? What's the initial? What's the first letter of the alphabet? What do you think? A is correct. Yes, A is the first letter, hands down, and that's the initial letter of the alphabet. Okay? Now, when you were just lining up, somebody was the last person or the final person in line, right? What is the final letter? Way over there. Yes, yes. What's the last? Z. Very good. So if A is the initial letter, Z is the final letter. Okay? Now, the letters all in the middle, the letters after A and before Z are called medial. Can you say medial?
Medial.
And then we have two exact middles. M and N are exactly in the middle. Okay? So just as a quick review, there's 26 letters in the alphabet. The initial letter is A. The final letter is Z. The exact two middle letters are M and N, but all the letters after E and before Z are called medial. Okay? Those words will be important as we learn our sounds. Okay, so now I'm going to say some sounds, okay? I'm going to say some words. And you're going to echo these words. Now, what does echo mean? Who can tell me what echo means? What does that mean? What does it mean when I say you're going to echo me?
The sound comes back to you.
Right, perfect. You're going to say it right back to me, okay? Now, while you say these little words back to me, I want you to listen to the initial sound. What does initial mean again? Initial means first. So you're going to listen for the initial sound in these three words. You're not going to tell me the letter name. You're going to tell me the sound you hear. in these 3 words when you raise your hand after I'm done, okay? Ready? Echo after me. Say, pat. Ooh, that was so good. You echoed 1 time. Very good. Now, when I point to me, it's my turn. When I point to you, it's your turn. You only say it 1 time. Ready? Pig.
David.
Remember, we're going to say pig. I'll do it again. Pig. Some of you are not saying the word I'm saying. Remember to echo the word I say, okay? Pet. There we go. This time everybody echoed the right word. Now, this is tricky. I'm going to ask a question. I want to see who can do this correctly. Don't tell me the letter that you heard in the first position or the initial position, but the sound you heard. Ooh, who could do that? Raise your hand and tell me the sound you heard in pat, pig, and pet. Back there, yes. What sound did you hear? Yeah, you. This little girl right here. What sound did you hear? Can you make it? I think I see your mouth getting ready. Show me. That was perfect. She went. Didn't she? Was that the sound? And I'm so glad she didn't say the letter. She just said the sound. Okay? All right. Now, what I'm going to have us do is I am going to have you look in this mirror. I brought a giant mirror. Look at this big mirror. Okay? And when I turn it around, I'm going to sweep it across all of your, so you can see your mouth. And I want you to make the sound. Now, when you make it, you're just going to go, don't go, pa, go, just kind of cut it off, go, like that, okay? So when I say 1, 2, 3, we're going to start saying it, but wait just a minute. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start saying it. Look at your mouth, look at your mouth. Okay, stop. Oh, you guys are good at this. Okay, tell me what you noticed your lips were doing. Yes, tell me what you noticed.
There was,
Ooh, stop making the sound now. Were they together?
they're going up and down.
Do they open up? Yes, look at my mouth. First they're together, and then they puff out. That is so cool. In fact, let's put our hand right here. Oh, let me see everybody put your hand like this. And I want you to make that sound again. Go. Did you feel a puff of air?
No.
I sure did. And this is what it looks like. Oh, let me see who's watching. Oh, you guys are good listeners. Your lips are together and a puff of air comes out. This is called a lip puffer.
Oh,
That's how we make that sound. Everybody say that. Lip puffer. Okay, now I'm going to show you those words.
Maddie.
Okay? You're going to echo again, and you're going to get to look at them. Say pat, pig, pet. Good echoing. Now, listen to this question. What is the letter in the initial position? The first position, yes, in the pink. Tell me what. What's the first letter in those words? P, just like your shirt is pink. Does that start with a P too? Very good. Okay, so today we're learning the letter P. It's a lip puffer, and it says, okay, very good. Now, how do we make it? When we make this letter, we pull down, circle around for the capital P. For the lowercase p, you pull down, up, and around for the lowercase p. And lowercase p goes under the line, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay? All right, I made them really big so we could see them. Look at this. Look at how big I made them.
Oh,
Wow. Okay, so here's the letter P, which goes down, circle around. That's capital P. And here's the lowercase p that we go down, up, and around. And we're going to do something called sky writing. We write in the sky. Yes. Ooh, listen so you know how to do it. In a minute, you're going to stand up with me, not yet, and you're going to take the arm that you write with. If you're right-handed, you're going to use your right hand. If you're left-handed, you're going to use your left hand. And you're going to take your pointy finger and point it really straight, and your arm is straight. Not a spaghetti arm, but a straight arm, like that, okay? And we're going to use our arm. We're not going to go like this. See, I'm just using my finger there. We're going to use our whole arm to make the letter. That helps our brain to remember how to make it. Okay, so stay seated for a minute. Let me show you, and then you're gonna watch. You're gonna copy me. I'll put it right here. Watch what I do. See how straight my arm is? And I'm gonna say capital P. Capital P. Okay, do you think you can do that? Stand up. Get your arms straight. No spaghetti arms. No, straight arm. Okay, ready? Here we go. Capital P. Now let's do it again and we'll say that sound. We'll go, ready? Ooh, that was so good. Now let's do the lowercase p. We're going to go down. This one is interesting. You go down, up, and around. Ready? Down, up, and around. This time let's say lowercase p. Lowercase p. Your arms are good. They're straight. They're not spaghetti. It's so good. And the last time, let's say the sound. Excellent. Have a seat. Very good. Oh my goodness. You guys are like pros at skywriting. You are so good. Okay, guess what? That was the first sound. And I think, do you have in your, up here, you might have a little bit of a different picture. Do you have a pickle? You do. Your pickle's a little different. But you just learned P, pickle. How do you say it, Miss Armstrong? You say P? Okay. So let's all say that. P, pickle, P, pickle. Ooh, I'm hearing the sound a little wrong. It's not pa, it's you cut off that second sound. You don't say P, you just say, everybody do that. Very good. Let's try one more time. P, pickle. Okay, ready? P, pickle. Oh, that was so much better. Okay. Since you did so great on that, we're going to learn another letter. Okay. First, you're going to echo, and guess what? You don't get to see it, so you're listening for the sound, not the letter. Echo after me. Bag. Bed. Bit. Now, this is tricky. Don't tell me the letter name. Tell me the sound. Right here. Show me your mouth. Show me the sound. Oh, that was perfect. Now remember, don't say ba. Go like this. Ba, ba. Kind of cut it off. Ba, ba, ba. That's good. Okay. So the initial sound was ba. Okay. Now look, you guys. I think it's the same, but we better look in the mirror and see if our lips are doing the same thing like they did for the P. Okay, are we ready? On the count of 3, I want you to say, no, I don't want to hear ba, 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 ba. I want to hear ba, ba. Okay, ready, begin. 1, 2, 3. No, you're making the B, the ba, 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 ba. Okay, stop. Did you notice? Did you notice it looks like this one? Oh my goodness, same thing. My lips are together. Let's see if a puff of air comes up. Yes, it does. Okay. There's only, oh, let me see who's listening now. They're both lip puffers. But there's something a little different. At the back of your throat, way back here, are vocal cords, and they hang down. Sometimes they kind of hang down like this. Sometimes they move, and sometimes they don't move. When we make the P sound, let's put our hand right here where your vocal cords are way back here, you can feel it. Let's make the P sound, go. I feel a little bit of air, but I don't feel much. Now, do the same thing, listen. Let's say the B sound. What did you feel? Did you feel a vibration? Yes, on the P, it's not moving, but on the B, I feel moving. That's called vibrate or voice. Okay, so stop. Good job, you guys. Stop. And now, let's look at the words. Ready? Let me see who's watching. Let me see who's watching. Echo after me. Bag. Bed. Bit. What letter altogether? B. Oh my goodness. So we've learned P, and now we've learned B. And B is voice. Okay, yeah. Oh, let me see who's, oh, I like how she's sitting. Oh my goodness, and you are sitting so nicely, and so are you, and you're not talking. Oh my goodness, there's so many of you that are doing that. So wonderful. Okay, when you make the B, the capital B, you, oh, I heard someone, oh, excuse me. You go pull down,
Lily.
Circle around, something like a half circle, right? And then the lowercase b is down, circle around, okay? Do you think you could skywrite those? Oh, did I make them giant, do you think? Oh, look at how big I made them. Oh my goodness. Okay, stand up. Let's do our skywriting again. Okay, straight arms, stiff, pointy, ready. We're going to say capital B. Capital B. Now let's say, remember, don't put an on it. Let's do that again. Let's feel if it vibrates as we do it. Did you feel that tickle? I sure did. Now let's do lowercase b. We go down, circle around, up and circle around. Ready? Down, up and circle around. Let's say lowercase b. Lowercase b. Now let's say that sound. Very good. Have a seat. Okay, very good. Okay, quick review. Let's do a quick review and then it's time for me to go. How many letters in the alphabet? Altogether? 26. What's the initial letter? What's the final letter? What are the exact two middle letters? And these are called medial. Okay? What is this called? Lip puffers. Say that. Lip puffers. What are the two letters that are the lip puffers? The P and the B. What I forgot to show you, we had P pickle and we have, is it ball up there? Yeah, it's a soccer ball for you, but it's another kind of ball for me. It's B ball B. Let's say that.
B ball
B. You just learned the two lip puffers, the sounds, the name of the letter, and how you make it with your mouth. Good job. Okay, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank you very much.